Today we're going to dress up the underhood of our 50th anniversary Mustang GT with a Billet aluminum cap kit from Ford Performance. This Ford Performance engine cover cap kit's going to fit your 2015 through 2019 Mustang GT and EcoBoost and your 2015 through 2017 GT350 or 350R. They are made of Billet aluminum and are CNC machined and feature a Ford Performance logo laser etched on the top. They come with an anodized finish to the long last end of the hood and can be installed with or without the double stick tape. The kit includes caps for your coolant, engine oil with an adapter for certain years, supercharger cap if equipped with a Ford Performance or Roush charger, washer cap, and brake reservoir cap. Now the caps are obviously an easy installation. The reason we're doing this video is people in the past have had some issues with other brand caps not staying on the car. Now with these caps from Ford Performance, if you just want them for shows, you can literally just pop open your trunk, take them out, throw them on for the show, and then take them off when you're finished. They actually have a very good fit and they probably wouldn't go anywhere. But if you do want to leave them on the car, there is double stick tape on the back. If you're gonna use double stick tape, you wanna make sure you clean the area thoroughly before you stick it on. That's an issue a lot of people have, is the tape won't stick if there's dirt, debris, any kind of antifreeze or anything on there. So clean it thoroughly with alcohol and then install. Just use a little bit of alcohol. Clean the flat surface on the top where the tape's gonna stick. Pull the backing on, just line it up where you want it, press down. Then repeat with the rest of the caps. This Ford Billet aluminum engine cover cap kit adds a nice finished look to the engine bay of our 50th anniversary Mustang. In my opinion, I actually like that it covers up the yellow. I understand it's there so you can find things easier, but I think covering those up gives it a much more nice, clean, finished look. The installation is very, very simple, 10 to 15 minutes, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.